Dennis says hello.
What's up, Dennis?
Anyways, guys, welcome back to another video. I was slow as hell to wake up this morning. I was supposed to be up at 7, and I didn't wake up to probably like 7:20, something around there. But George and I are going to a Cars and Coffee event that's at some Wrapz shop that's just opening. That's like literally down the street from here. So should be a good time because I finally get to drive the BMW after 2 weeks. Hopefully it doesn't explode when I start it up. It didn't yesterday, so that should be good. And then we can try some settings on, well, the settings that I changed on XHP, we can try out and see how the transmission does. Yay! So, we're making some coffee right now, because as you can hear in my voice, I am tired because we stayed up till probably 2 last night, just editing videos and photos and stuff. So, we get some coffee in my system, and then we're gonna head out. Why do you want the color changing purple cup?
Because I want to look like I'm drinking poison.
Yeah, I did put poison in your coffee.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's...
And rainbow puke.
And rainbow puke. Can't forget the rainbow puke. Alright, so we got the coffee, and we're ready to head out. I'm so tired. We're ready to head out. So let's see what's out there. We made it to the meet. Got the Sony out. Got a polarizer out. Car looks clean, man. Car looks dope. Got everything we need to take some sick pictures, and gonna roll out and see what's at the show. So far, there's some pretty nice stuff that we
yeah,
went and drove past.
A couple Supras.
Yeah.
There's a bagged
GTR. Yeah.
That was really nice.
It was like one of the new ones too.
There's wide-bodied BRZ that was really nice.
There's a couple stuff over there that's really nice. So we're gonna walk that way, and then we'll show you guys what's up. Wide body 392. Yeah, this thing fucks, dude. This is fucking crazy how wide it is. Look at that. It is insane how wide that is, dude. Me and George are now contemplating different settings for the A7 because we just met a really cool guy who is shooting at 60 frames. But I thought it was a crop at 60 frames, but I think it's like a 1.3 times crop. So I don't know if we should shoot, I don't know if we should shoot our cinematics at, damn, this 35 is like so shallow depth of field. Like, look. I don't know if we should be shooting on a 35, because my brand new lens, and 35 is actually really crazy. I don't know if we should be shooting on the 35 at 60 or 30 for the crop. So I'm trying to figure it out. There's only one way to figure it out, and that's to use it, I guess. So yeah. So if I'm staring at George right here, this is at 30 frames. George, move around. So this is at 30 frames, okay? This is George from the same distance, but at 60 frames per second. So there's a crop. Move around. So there's a significant crop, but it depends, man. I guess it all depends on what you're doing. So the 60 frames looks really good, but if I'm right here filming a car, I'm pretty far away right now, and me getting the angles that I normally would with a gimbal, it all depends, you know? And then here that is again, this is the same shot. I didn't move at all, but this is the Mustang again in 30 frames. So it depends on what lens you're using and, you know, stuff like that, but I'm not too sure. Well, we'll see. The only way to test it is to actually test it, so I guess we'll see. So look at this, guys. This is really nice. This blue on the Lexus. I'm digging this car, man. I'm digging it big time. And I really want to get some photos of it sometime, maybe out in the desert or something like that. It looks really nice. So yeah, I love the color on this. It's like almost my color. No, you know whose color it is? It's almost Aiden's color.
Actually, yeah.
It's like almost Aiden's color. Yeah. Aiden's color is, I think, a shade darker.
And a little bit more.
And a little bit more flake. Yeah, but I love the color on this car. This is insane. It's a V8. You have the 500 over there, which is the V8 as well. And then you have this guy's car right here, who we just met. This is Instagram. Go ahead and follow him. Really cool guy, teaching photography tips and all that good stuff. So really super cool guy. Just started shooting not that long ago, so make sure you go drop a follow. He has a nice car with a brand new Wrapz, so that's cool. Supra of the Valley. This is this guy's Instagram right here. Look at this thing. Crazy good looking. Full carbon hood, Apex wheels, full carbon wing. Oh my god, guys, this one is a fucking banger, dude. I love this carbon wing right here. The weave on that, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I love the color on it too. It like matches perfectly with the carbon, dude. Like perfectly with the carbon. Damn. That Z. I like the wheels on this thing. It's nice. These wheels fit perfectly with this car. It looks great. It's an auto, but that's okay. It's alright. That's just some love for autos sometimes too, you know what I'm saying? I think this might be one of my favorite cars, like, that are here right now. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. And I'm not even partial to wide bodies, but this thing is beautiful. Damn. Damn, what a car. This was done right. Yeah, this was done right. Damn, these BRZs, man. I keep telling people about these BRZs. Like, I feel like there's so many different styles that you can choose with a BRZ, and that's why it's just such a great car. Multiple of them, but every style is different. I love that. I'm starting to get a little rowdy as we get out of here. Unfortunately, my car's not warmed up because it's just not warmed up, so I don't think I can do any pulls out here. I mean, we could grenade the motor. We could do it.
Yeah, let's do it. We
could Tavares the motor. Totally do it with this McLaren. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like down. Let me know what your favorite car of this meet was. There's a really cool meet hosted by a Wrapz shop out here in Scottsdale. I'll drop their Instagram or something right here. But yeah, sick show, guys. And if you need any photography, y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.